Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back. I hope you're having an Ariana Grande, Hope you're having an amazing day. Quick shameless plug right off the hop. I like to fly drones, but that's not really car related, so I started a third channel. Go check out Point Edward's new internet show. That's right. Click the link in the description to see my penis. Check out my penis below. I don't know, I'm just gonna put random drone videos and stuff up on that channel because it's not car related, so why would I put it up here? Anyways, what is car related is I fixed my door handle. I bought a door handle and then I realized just how easy it was to fix the problem with my door handle. So I still have the spare part, the new one, just in case, but I fixed it. I'm gonna show you right now how to, right now. Right meow meow. Meow, 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 right meow, meow. So by simply removing 1, 2, and 3 bolts, and then peeling this back, you then get to see in there a little bit. Oh, need my flashlight. Professional lighting provided by DeWalt. All right, here we go. So now what you will see in there is the emergency handle in which I've been using, and this is the actual door popper button right there. I've gone ahead and removed that. It is a tiny tab holding it, connected to, let's see if I can get the camera in there. Boom. Okay, focus. If you'll focus, I can get the shot. Just go ahead and focus and I got the shot. Come on. Okay, so this part right here, you can't really see it. There it is. See that little silver thing? Reach in with a pair of pliers. Push that little silver thing. That pops the button out. And then fipsed. Fips. My button's fipsed. Look. Oh. Might have to white litho grease that. She's starting to stick again. Semi-fixed. Yeah.
12 seconds later.
Let's take her for a test spin, shall we? Oh, look at how nice that is. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I actually didn't get that screw back in. I got a feeling I'm going to be pulling it back apart soon anyways. I just basically fixed it with some dry lube and a pair of pliers. So, yeah, no sweat. I'd say no sweat, but I'm sweaty as F because it's 90 degrees out. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching this. If you're to this point, be sure to subscribe to the channel.
A few moments later.
You know how these things usually go though. You fix one problem and another problem happens. So you're probably noticing that the car is driven in forward because it doesn't really go into reverse anymore. I don't know why, but how far would you go to drive your car? I go pretty far. I don't think we're going for a drive today. Okay, YouTubes, it appears as though we have a more serious problem than I thought. Not only am I not getting reverse, I now am not getting forward gears. Let me give you a little scenario of what's happening. The clutch pedal feels a lot softer than usual, and as you can see, it's not going into gear, forward or backward. Something's not engaging correctly, like a throwout bearing or a seal's gone, or that's bad. Let me know below if you know what this problem is. All right, thanks for watching, YouTube. Bye.